Okay, while that 6S is charging, let's try to open up this one and see what's inside. Okay, when we have this open, we see that this cover is still in place, but the screen is already changed, third-party one, as you can see from the tags out here and down here. But I can already see that there's like a small gap, I don't know if you guys see it, small gap between the charging connector and the body itself. So I think that might be the problem for it. And there's no cover for the battery, so I think I will just try a new battery, and if it works then I will change the port, because now when it's plugged it just doesn't show anything at all. Let's move on with that. And I have two other batteries from the phones that I have fixed earlier, so they should be faulty, but I think they will still show some life. Okay, let's pop that in and see what it does. Oh yeah, there's some life in it as well. We'll need some charge. I will put that on charge as well and see what it goes to. The 6S is still charging, as you can see. I will update you guys as soon as they have turned on. I left them on charge for like 20-30 minutes and here they are, both working. So this one has a passcode on and this one has an iCloud on, but there's still some data in here, so I believe I will be able to find the original owner and sort the iCloud off. About this one, I will check online if the email of it is clean and maybe it's not iCloud locked, only the passcode locked. Then I will just reset it and give him a fresh start.
Kiss me like you love me for the